in the form of ax squared plus b, or plus k. Okay, we have that a is going to be 1, right? And k is going to be minus 11.4. So knowing this, right, we have a that is a positive number. Because it's positive, it opens, right, upwards. Okay, we have that. The vertex can be represented by 0k, or in this case, 0, negative 11.4. Okay, now if we look at the domain and the range, for a parabola, right, we know that the domain is going to be for x, right? X is the set of real numbers. Okay. For here, we have a upward spacing parabola, so the value right here at the vertex, so the y value of this vertex is going to be a minimum, right? So the range has to be, y has to be bigger than or equal to the smallest value possible, which is the vertex y value, which is that, right? And we answer the question that it's going to have a minimum value, right? And that happens when y is equal to negative 11.4. This is the smallest y value our parabola can get.